Okay, it's Thursday, March 16th. This is a SPY morning update. We're only 2 hours into trading, but you can see here, if you just looked at the daily chart on its own, it would look like it's above the midpoint of the prior day. We have a 2-up day, and we're projecting up to the green line up here to, like 395.50 area, which is the high of that bar. We still have plenty of time to go to get there on the day. How it unfolded, we came into the morning with the pre-market range kind of near the midpoint of the prior day, and it was starting near the lows of that, so we were considering a downward move. But look at price action. It immediately started up, which is fine. I actually tried to buy some Tesla stock here and took a small loss given the way that acted. I didn't trade the SPY, but then it came down here on bar number 2, held kind of the midpoint of the first bar. Bar number 4 kind of just paused here, 2 down, 2 up. And then this would have, if you were trading the SPY outright, this was actually a buy signal here structure-wise, to see if you take out the the high of the day and then kind of this next pivot area. And as it turns out, it not only you took that out, it just flew right through it. So now you get the 2-up day on the daily chart. You're projecting up here to the green line, and that's where we go. If we don't get there immediately on this move up, you have an orderly pause. We have a fair value gap that can hold, and we'll look for a directional move to either get there now on one push, or if it doesn't, maybe pause and get there on a secondary push. That's what your expectations are. If something should fail today, it's going to have to really come down through this fair value gap with some kind of big red and then start testing the lows of the open of the day. So that's what the failure would look like if something should happen. We have plenty of time to go, but for now we're looking to that green line, and we'll see. This will be the key on Thursday. We'll have to do a closing video and see if we reach our target up there, what that means. Do we just broaden out and then on Friday maybe have a down day, or do we continue higher and on the weekly chart get a big strong weekly green bar which starts to project higher into next week? So as of now, up, in terms of price action, and we just wait to see. We're going to kind of judge now how it reacts to this target. Does it reach it? If it reaches it, does it pause there? Does it continue? Does it fail? I mean, all kinds of things that we'll see. But for now, that's where it's heading. We'll continue to watch it all day. You can see those double highs up there. That's pretty much, that's why markets want to get there. But at that point, I really want to see how Thursday close. You never know. I've seen days where we get up there and then by the end of the day you collapse. I'm not expecting that, but you just got to watch for those things. So anyway, definitely heading up. Again, I personally got stopped out on Tesla on a short trade here. A long trade that I just decided to take a very small loss, as it's obviously heading up now. So it also had an up bias, and then I actually bought Target here, which is doing well on the upside. So those are the 2 trades I took to the upside, with the fact that the SPY itself has kind of an upward bias today. So, and we'll just see how it keeps going. Plenty of time to go in the day.